So I've got the Trader Joe's sweet and spicy rice cracker mix here. So let's try this out. So there is a look at the ingredients. It looks pretty nice and clean. So let's open this, pour some out, and take a look. So let's take a look at the different things we've got here. You got this one, got the star-shaped one, you got these. You got 4 stuck together right there. Let's see. And then you have these kind of crescent moon-shaped ones there. So that looks like that's about it. Yeah, these are super crispy. Savory. Some of these, this one is a little bit sweet. These ones should be a little savory flavored. But yeah, they're all super crispy. They are sweet. These ones here do have a little bit of spicy heat to them, just a little bit. So yeah, to give you a little nice little kick there. And you can balance it out with the sweet ones there. So it makes a really nice combo. So yeah, if you like these Japanese style rice crackers, make sure you give these a try. They're really good.